We have a unicorn egg.
Yeah.
A growing pet, and it's the one that we put.
Let me see.
We put it in the water.
Oh, yeah. Is it in the instructions?
In the instructions. Okay, so just for the occasion, we have my special skull glass. Do you like it? It's a skull glass. Be careful with it. So we're going to put the egg in here, and we're going to fill it up with water.
Really? Can I open it?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. It's yours, after all. You can't get any drink out of there, son. Let's have a look.
Here it is.
Ooh. That's awesome. And is there a toy going to hatch out of that?
What do we do now?
You've seen plenty of videos with this, so you should know. No, in here. We'll do it in here. You should know what to expect. Did you just prank it?
No.
Oh, okay. So, but no. It's meant to stay in there, Logie. Get off.
Oh,
silly.
Okay, it's not the box.
Right, okay. So, we're going to fill this with water. Ready?
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, I don't think it's meant to do that. Oh no, he's got it.
That's like a big
There we go. I think that's right. No, it's sinking now. Leave it. Okay, I think now we have to wait for it to hatch.
I could see it hatching.
So, and it could take up to 24 hours. Do you know how long that is? That's a whole day. We have to wait a whole day, which means you might get a toy tomorrow, but you might be in bed. So you'll have to do it the next day. Or you might be in luck. You might decide to hatch early. Yay!
If we like just get up in some like in the night and just check it, so if it might hatch.
Oh yeah, I can check it. I can look after it. I can sit on it if you like a chicken on the egg.
Like,
Keep it warm.
there you go.
So now, before we're getting ready to score, we're gonna check if it's hatched. So shall we have a look?
It has hatched. I saw it hatch.
Oh, there's the unicorn. Look.
Yeah, it's tiny. It needs to grow.
It's got to grow, hasn't it? Yeah. That's hatched pretty quick, hasn't it?
Yeah. Not that quick.
Oh, it's just took overnight. It just say between 12 and 24 hours, but that's quite a quick process.
Hey, but hold on. The unicorn needs to grow, so it will be a mommy one.
Okay. Well, where's the babies then? I can't see any babies. I think it's just one.
Baby.
I think it's just one unicorn, so that's going to grow even bigger. So we'll have to wait and see the results
Hold on, I just saw
in the next couple of hours. Probably when you get back from school.
But guess what? I just saw it move.
I don't think it's moving. I think that's just the water, darling.
No, I just saw it move. I just saw it move.
So we'll check it after you get back from school.
But you'll be at work.
Yeah, well, you can do it with Mummy though, can't you?
Yeah. Unicorn.
One unicorn. Although I'll go a bit honest, I was expecting it to grow a bit more. So we've left it for a good couple more days. It looks cool. It's got different colours, but I was expecting it to grow just a tad more. But it does look cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would be two if it would be this one.
Oh yeah. Well, we have another one. We have another one as well.
Yes. Yeah, open it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder whether we can do some. We can like put some pretty patterns on it or something like stickers, or perhaps you could perhaps you get some felt tips or paints out. Oh, bless him. He wants to. Hello.
Is he my little brother?
Bless him. He wants to play with it. Look.
Is he my little brother Logan?
Yeah. Look. So we could paint it perhaps, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, with some stickers.
Or we could just stupid.
We could. Oh dear. Somebody wants to play with it. Look.
I could colour it right now.
We could.
Why don't I get the colouring pencil?
Well, not right now, but we could do it whilst we're waiting for this one to hatch next time. Yeah.
Tell me in the comments if you like the unicorn. Tell I hope you liked the video. Remember, be cool and so kind.